How to log in to SafePal wallet. If you wish to log in, which in this case we talk about importing a certain wallet and logging in on SafePal, it is very simple to do so. First, what you have to do is open the SafePal app and then just make sure to log into your account. Now over here you can see it says create new wallet. So if you do not have yet created an account or wallet, you can do so from there. But since we already have a wallet and we're trying to just log in, I will select add existing wallet. First, you have to create a 6-digit password for your wallet, by the way. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Once you've done that, you can enable Touch ID and other options over here. Now here you have to import or log in. So if you remember your private key, just paste in your private key or scan them and tap the next option to recover it. Or if you had backed up your private key to your cloud backup, then select import from my cloud backup. In my case, I had backed it up to my Google account, so I can select my Google account here. You can see a certain wallet is showing up, so I can select that wallet, enter the backup password, tap on next, and then I'll be able to import my SafePal wallet. This way I can import a login to SafePal wallet. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.